Good morning, students. Myself Mahendra Sani from Civil Engineering Department. Today we are going to discuss about arch dam. Arch dam is an important topic of water resources engineering in civil engineering trade. Okay. So in succession, in classification of various dams, we will discuss about arch dam. It is one of gravity dam. Okay, you can see the diagram here, you can see the picture here. This is the picture of arch dam. Okay, convexity, its convexity towards the upstream. Okay, so this is a linear diagram or line diagram of arch dam. So first of all, what is arch dam? An arch dam is a curved in plan with its convexity towards upstream side. Okay, and this dam transfer the water pressure and the other forces mainly to the abutments by arc action, and this is quite suitable for narrow canyons with a strong flank which are capable of resisting the thrust produced by the arch action. The section of an arch dam is approximately triangular like a gravity dam, but the section is comparatively thinner. Okay, the arch dam may have a single curvature or double curvature in the vertical plane. Okay, generally dams are constructed in double curvature form because of its economical, low cost, and easy in use in practice. So commonly adopted in India. Okay, the most important example or famous example of this type of arch dam constructed in Kerala in Idukki. Okay, its height is about 169 meter. So you can see in this picture, it is a Idukki dam, Kerala, India. Okay, you can see how it is large, how this is biggest dam in the India. Okay, so it is a diagram or picture of the Idukki dam, Kerala. The quality of concrete used in construction of this type of dam is generally better, but not better than gravity dam. Why we need the better quality of concrete? So answer is to sustain the stresses produced in this dam. As you know that it is a function of an arc that it resists more forces, more stresses acting on it as compared to the straight span or straight spillway. Okay, so arc dam is very important for resisting high stresses produced in the dam. Due to which it is quite durable dam. So this is all about arch dam, the unique classification of dam and water resources engineering. Okay, we will meet further in next lecture with another type of dam, buttress dam. Okay, thank you.